Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to be reviewing this InnoGear AI noise canceling microphone and full kit. Alright, so it doesn't just come with the microphone, it comes with the boom arm and also the desk stand here. I'm going to share with you what I like about it along with what you should know before purchasing. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the very first thing that I like about it is that it actually does come with everything that you see here. So it's very easy to attach. You simply can attach the desk clamp, of course, to your desk. I like that it has this back screw here that you can go ahead and tie in to make sure that the boom arm doesn't actually sway when you're using it. And then of course you can adjust the boom arm as you prefer, depending on where you're sitting and how your desk is maneuvered. It also comes with the power cord, of course. I always like to try to hide and conceal cords, so this is kind of how I maneuvered it just along through the boom arm, and also has the USB right there here at the end that can plug in. Now let's actually dive into the microphone itself, because that's what's really special about this, is that it actually uses AI for noise canceling. All right, so here you can click on that and it's just a one tap, so it's actually not a button, it's just very sensitive to where you can tap it, and you can see now that it's turned red. That means that I've put it on mute. All right, so you can see this notification right there. Now if I push and hold it down, it's turned green, and so that's noise canceling. So I'll actually demonstrate this as well for you, the differences. If I hold it again, it's going to go into blue, and blue is just normal, so it's not actually using the AI noise canceling. You've probably noticed also the lights changing. There's a little button here on the back of it, and again, not really a button, but more of a, just kind of a very sensitive touch. But once you just touch it, you can change the colors, which I think is really cool. It also comes with this detachable filter here, the pop filter, as well, to really help smooth out the sound. And then the bottom here twists, and that's your volume control. So they've really designed this with keeping you in mind, meaning that they want to make it very easy, very ergonomic for you. Of course, sitting here at a desk to where you can pull this closer, you can move this, right? And then if you want some light, obviously you have that. And, it's really meant for kind of to kind of spice up your office, which I like. So like I said, let's go ahead and actually demo the sound here as well. So something you should know about the sound is that it is a cardioid pattern, meaning it's one directional, right? It's not omnidirectional, so it's not going to be picking up a lot of sound from anywhere else. It's going to be right directly coming to you, okay? So let's go ahead and test it with the noise canceling and without the noise canceling. So first, it's blue, so it means that it's going to be without the noise canceling. In this demonstration, I'm going to be playing a recorded video of some wind in the background and a dog. So I just set my phone outside and just picked up the sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and start playing that. And you should be able to tell here, right? You'll see right here that I have a blue light on. That means the noise canceling is off. Okay, I'm going to maintain the same distance from the microphone as well here. So you should be able to hear a distinct difference once I'm going to turn down I'm turning on the noise canceling. So holding it down, and you should be able to have that distinct difference, okay? So this isn't going to take out all sound. It's not going to remove the sound completely. However, it should be dampening the sound, okay? So for example, if you have a dog barking in the background, you have wind, maybe your kids are playing, you may be scooting around here in your chair is making sound, it should dampen those sounds, but it's not going to be, it's not going to completely get rid of, the background sounds. But again, you should have that distinct difference, or notice that distinct difference in listening to this. So whether you're using this for gaming or for even professional, right? If you're doing professional Zoom calls, or really wanting to use a good microphone that doesn't pick up those background sounds, right? Like I said, music or maybe echoes or anything that you might have there in the background, kids playing around, anything like that, then I can highly recommend this InnoGear noise canceling microphone for you. So I hope you enjoy it as well.